Hey guys, what's up? It's Carly. Thank you so much for watching. So it's been a while since I've done a makeup look and I'm just really excited to share this look with you guys. I use a lot of the same makeup even though I have quite a bit. Like I always kind of stick to my favorites. So this is kind of more of like my favorite products that I use makeup look. So I hope you guys like this video and let's get into it. First I'm going to start by putting on this Rose Salve lip balm. I just scrubbed my lips with my toothbrush. I feel like it helps them look like more plump and stuff. And so I'm just going to put some of this on because now they're pretty dry. Then I'm going to take this Bare Minerals Blemish Rescue and I'm going to put it all over my face as a primer. Next I'm going to take my MAC Studio Waterweight SPF 30 foundation. The reason I love this is because it's super lightweight and it doesn't like even cover my entire face, which I don't want a lot of coverage. Like I do have quite a few dark spots under my eye and then I just have like a few spots here and there, but I'm going to just use concealer for those. So I'm just going to put it on my hand. I only do like one dab and then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to kind of dab it all over my face. I'm going to add a little bit of this MAC Strobe Cream. I'm going to use this as a highlighter, so I'm just going to put a little bit on my beauty blender. I'm going to put it on my hand first, not too much. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to dab on my cheekbones, my nose, my lip. I've showed this so many times. It's my favorite concealer. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And it's cheap. I've tried like so many concealers and I just keep coming back to this one because it's affordable and it does the job. I'm just going to put it under my eyes where the dark spots are, a little bit around my nose because it gets a little red, and then any little red spots around my eyes, you just twist the top to get the product to come out, and it takes like quite a few twists when you first get it. So if you're like, why is the product not coming out? That's how you fix it. I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender again. I love my beauty blender because I can use it for so many different things. My skin from my facial that I just got has been so nice. Like I still have a couple little spots here and there, but for the most part it looks so much better. So I just concealed my eyes. I'm going to actually do my eyelids too because they're looking a little dark. Next, I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown bronzer. I'm almost out of it. I love this bronzer so much. So I have the color Stone Street, and I'm going to take this Real Techniques powder brush. I just got this at Ulta, and I just like how fluffy it is. And I'm just going to kind of go in on my forehead, and then above my cheekbone, and then below my jawline. Alright, so there is the bronzer. I'm just going to take my favorite blush. So I kind of switch blushes quite often and then I only use that same brush. This one's Dainty from MAC and it's this pretty pink shimmery color. I really like it. So I'm just going to take this MAC brush. I don't know what it is because it totally got rubbed off, but it's like the MAC blush brush. And then I always just like dab it to make sure I don't have too much extra product. I'm just going to put it lightly on my cheekbones. I like to put a little on my nose and a little on my forehead, so it's just like this really natural blush color. I'm going to add it onto my eyelids, the same blush color. So I'm going to put it on this little MAC 224 brush and just blend it all into my eyelid. And I just make sure it's nice and blended all over the entire lid. And I only do it up to the crease. I don't even go above that. I just like everything to be very easy and fast, and so that's what I do. So next I'm going to do my brows. I just got my brows tinted and dyed. Like I usually do them myself, but this month I just wanted to go have somebody kind of just reshape them because I love the way they do them. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Brow Precise in medium brown. I'm just going to line the bottom of my brows. Now I'm just gonna do the other side. Okay, I'm just gonna do some quick highlighters. So I've been into this Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is the glow kind. So I'm just gonna put a teeny bit into the lid, and then I'm gonna use this brush. This is just the Sephora brand brush, and it's the highlight and illuminating brush. So I'm just gonna kind of dab it into the brush. I don't want too much, but I just love the natural glow that this guy gives. Last, lips, my favorite part. So I got this color from MAC last month. It's the Dervish lip liner, and I'm just gonna line my lips. The reason I like this is because it already looks like my lip color, just a little bit brighter. Okay, I'm gonna use MAC lipstick, and it's the color Blankety, like a pinky nude color. And last but not least, I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on. This is MAC Candy lip gloss, and I just got this for free with like a purchase a while ago during the Nordstrom sale. I just want to add like a little gloss. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I post videos 2 times a week, so I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.